In this video from Device Doctor, we will show you how to easily fix the problem of your HP LaserJet Pro MFP M127fw printer getting stuck on the HP logo. Stay tuned and follow along.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
As you can see, when we power on the printer, it gets stuck on the HP logo screen and does not continue to the main menu. This condition shows that the printer needs a firmware update. This problem is common with many HP printers, and it can usually be fixed by updating the printer's firmware. As the first step to fix this issue, you need to connect the printer to your computer using a USB cable. Connect to the internet and open Google. Then, search for your printer model, followed by the word driver. Now, open the first website in the search results and download the firmware for your device. On this website, you will easily find the word firmware, and you can download it without any problem. So go ahead and download the firmware setup file. Sometimes, the driver for this printer can be installed automatically without needing to download anything. However, keep in mind that only some models support automatic installation. If your printer does not install automatically, you may need to download the driver manually from the same website where you downloaded the firmware. After installing the driver, you need to run the firmware file. Just follow the steps shown in our video. It's very simple and easy to do. Make sure the printer is connected to your computer with a USB cable, and do not turn off the printer or disconnect it during the update. Only download the firmware from the official HP website. Also, make sure the driver is installed correctly before starting the update. As you can see, the problem with our printer has been successfully fixed after updating the firmware. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and support our channel. Thank you for watching.